Okay, yep. So this is gonna be unboxing slash review of the Star Wars The Complete Saga. Yeah. So I'm just gonna now review, probably like unbox the Complete Saga and probably review the prequel trilogy. Okay, so this is unboxing slash review of the prequel trilogy and disc 7. Okay, so this is the front, side, back of the thing. Other side. Take this off. This is the front. Side again. Back. Up. Down. This. Other side. And yeah. So first of all, take this off. So I'm just gonna review 4 discs, which is just the prequel trilogy. So yeah. Now, before I show you the Guide to the Galaxy, just this artwork, oh, fine. It is so awesome. I watched the unboxing of it when I first bought it, and I'm looking holy shit, this is really cool. You won't know how good this artwork looks until you actually buy. You have to try even then, you have to actually look at it. And even this, the artwork for the discs, even go this isn't a picture, it's actually a drawing, and it looks very nice. So Ian McKellen, I'm not Ian McDermott, I think his name is. Christopher Lee there, he actually really did a good job of the discs artwork. I'm just trying to pick with this. I actually want to show you the original disc until part 2. Oh yeah, you probably have seen the original trilogy discs. Yeah. So I'll just review the fan of this now. First of all, I do not want. First of all, before I review the prequels and everything about them in Blu-ray, I do not like the prequel trilogy. I prefer the original trilogy to the prequels. The story one, the original ones are way better. The prequels made no sense, so just boring. Yeah, I don't know what happened to John Lucas, but yeah. But first of all, I'll talk about the changes to the prequels and what I thought about them. I've probably only noticed one change, which is the CGI Yoda. Correct me. There could be another change, but I haven't really noticed any other changes. All I've noticed is the CGI pop on the other, which I think it is probably better because it fits with the other prequel films in the prequel trilogy, because everyone kind of confuses Sandman being an original film with Yoda's puppet in there, but now it's a prequel film and belongs in the prequels with the other crappy Star Wars films. So yeah, the movie itself didn't like it, made no sense. The only reason why I bought the complete saga is because I wanted to get the extra 3 discs of bonus features, or the extra 2 discs. I'm not really interested in the prequels, but yeah, very interesting. I say that the picture quality, I'll probably give it 6 out of 10. It was soft at some places. It was probably the most disappointing out of the complete saga I wore discs, and yeah, yeah. Movie itself, I'll probably give it a 2 out of 10. I don't like the movie. Yeah, probably always so. Okay, the picture quality for this was very good. I'll probably give the picture quality for this 8, 10 out, 10. No, I don't know why. Probably not as good as Revenge stuff, but probably after all, 9 out of 10. The picture quality, it was so good. It was filmed in HD, that's fine. It was epic. The movie itself, 1 out of 10. Don't like Attack of the Clones. Boring. The changes. I didn't notice any changes in this. Probably. I didn't. I felt some point felt a bit weak. I only watched Attack of the Clones all the time, so I never really noticed any changes. Like, if there are, like, please tell me in the comments, but I like hardly ever watch Attack of the Clones, like, so I didn't notice any changes or anything. Revenge of the Sith, the movie itself, I probably give it 4 out of 10. Like, it was an okay-ish movie. The picture quality, best picture quality ever for the complete saga. The picture quality is probably 10 out of 10. Changes, I didn't notice any changes, like, I know something a bit different from the general Grievous scene, but I couldn't, like, really tell what that is. Or that could just be me, like, tell me if there actually was a change in this, like, I don't remember. I haven't really been researching what changes they did to the prequels. I know what changes they did to the originals for them more, I guess, thing, but, yeah, no changes I can see, but, yeah, you know, the artwork I like. So I'm not going to review the original trilogy, but I'll discuss the discs to the originals. Okay, fine, this discs. Now, this pretty much has, like, the only thing different I've noticed in the special features is that you get more deleted and extended scenes, like on the DVDs, and yeah, like all the features and stuff like that, they've been released before, and yeah. I give this disc probably like bearing the getting rid of the fact that the prequel suck, but just an average. I'd probably say I would give the special features disc 7 out of 10. Like there could have been some they could have released a few other stuff that have been never before released. Like more deleted things, because I know there are a few more go over wireless in the theatrical version for the prequels to the DVD versions. I did change some stuff, like put some original untouched versions of it of those things in there that haven't been changed. I should have also done with this one. I'll probably get into that in my other review. So that's it for my review of the prequel trilogy on Blu-ray, and yeah, I'm probably next to review part 2, which is the original trilogy, and part 3, the 9th disc, and overall sum up. So yeah, comment and subscribe or anything. It's my first video.